can't explain all the feelings that you're making me feel.
Nag-scroll lang man ako nun sa Facebook. Tapos,
My heart's an
na-notice ko
overdrive and you're
na
behind the steering
si Ma'am
wheel.
Charmaine is also taking masters.
Kuan mo gina siya, sipat na siya dati. Sipat. Kanang bugoy-bugoy yun ba, mahilig mo, ano ka, nagara-gara.
Ang first impression ko is parang hindi naman siya nagbago based sa pagkaalala ko sa kanya kung ano yung ugali niya before.
Believe in a thing called love.
Si Javon is, nerd po siya. Dati kay, maano ko sa iyo, tanong ko, weird or nerd kay itong awat. Hindi, ano, ever press naman si Aiming do.
I wanna kiss you every minute, every hour, every day. You got me in a spin, but everything is a-okay. Touching you, touching me, touching you, are you touching me?
Dear Javon, every now and then I write letters to myself, little check-ins, words of encouragement, just to keep me going. As you know, life has troubled me deeply with experiences that have left deep marks. But this time it's different. I'm writing to express my gratitude for showing me what it means to be genuinely loved, but even more so to myself. Make me remember that at last, I'm writing with hope. I'm writing with love. Thank you, Javon. I love you. Love, Charmaine.
Ma, thank you for putting up with me. There are many times that I disappointed you, but we still chose to continue. I promise that from now on, my attention and time will be yours alone. I love you.
They ask for blessing that the Lord may bless their union. And the truth is, this is the purpose of marriage, that their union may be blessed by the Lord, and they will be the one to continue the sort of blessing, because the blessing that comes from the Lord is only one time. There will be no more. That is the blessing of the sacrament of marriage. And if you are going to go back to the sacrament itself, it was or it is instituted by Christ to give grace. That is the purpose, to give grace not only to them, but also to us who are witnessing their marriage. We are sharers, or we are sharing in the blessing that they have received from the Lord. Because for them, this is not only a prayer, but rather it is an act wherein their marriage will be blessed. And some sort of that is for them, they have this kind of promise. The promise wherein we will always say, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, and sickness and health, until death do us part. So that means to say that in marriage, it is always accompanied with prayer, in order that the blessing will be continued. Then it is always through prayers that may be able to do it. And secondly is that they are sharing and the action of the Lord. And the action of the Lord is that they're trying to bless or to receive the mandatum from the Lord. Go and multiply. But it is not only multiplying, but rather it goes with responsibility. Because some other people will always say, we are following the commandment of the Lord, that you will go and multiply, because that's the commandment, go and multiply, but it is coupled with responsibility. And the most important here is the responsibility behind the commandment. And what is this responsibility? That you should be a good citizen of the church. And what is to become a good citizen of the church? You'll always say that it is just a simple word that comes from the Lord. And this is the gospel for today in which I have read. Jesus said to them that you should live on in my love. That is the love of Jesus which he gave to us. And what is this kind of love in which he gave to us? This is the unconditional love. The love which has no condition, even to the extent of sacrificing himself, or even to the extent of dying for the sake of love. That is the willingness, no, of one of them. But you try to remember that the in this act of marriage, the two is made into one. That's one of the effect of marriage. We just say that we should be of one heart and one soul.
Salamat. Magkapo na kalin. I'm happy and advice nga malipayon ng pamilyang abot tayo sa future sa mga anak.
Maayo inyong pagpuyo sa moabot og unsa may inyuhang kuan kailangan. Kay daghan man nag mga trials. Ako nagpasalamat ko nga magminyo na akong anak kay pila na iyang edad karon.
Thank you po sa inyong aral na ibinigay sa akin.
We want continue to be a good model. You are now the new father of the new family. Be the best father of the world.
Bon, thank you.
Mm.
Thank you sa mga time. Thank you for being a good son and for being a good brother to Coco and Samson.
Charmin Jane, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Javon, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
Javon and Charmin Jane, since you are to contract holy matrimony, please join your right hands. Charmin Jane, do you take Javon your present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
I do.
Javon, do you take Charmin Jane your present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
I do.
Now please read this prayer.
Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul. I, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
Charmaine,
Jean, wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign of my love
as a sign of my love
and loyalty.
and my love.
In the name of the Father,
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Javon,
wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign of my love
as a sign of my love
and loyalty.
and loyalty.
In the name of the Father,
In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Far and wide, I see them searching day and night, spend their lives looking for just a little bit more. You'll be the tide, I'll be the sea, the rise or fall brings you home to me, brings you home to me. Oh, it's always been you, love. It's always been you I love. Oh, it's always been you, my
Yan silang lahat. Okay, kayo naman. Paano nyo i-describe ang isa't isa? Kanabitaw karon na nag-aaso-aso pag yun inyong gugma, ka-uros-uros pag yun, kaya bakong kasal good. In just one word, how will you describe your feeling? Sige, pwede. Feelings for him or sa kuha, pwede po. Sige, sa iyahaw, kung ano nararamdaman mo, Charmaine, sa mga oras na to. Sa ikaw daw sa una.
I'm feeling happy siguro.
Di pa siya sure. Balikan ako niya kung sure na ka, ha? Feeling happy, actually, ganun talaga yon. For sure, naranasan niya ng mga kinasal na pag kinakasal ka, di pa ka sure kung sa imong bation. You just wanna go through today and then enjoy the rest of your life together. Charmaine.
Grateful.
Yun. Happy and grateful. Palakpakan naman natin silang dalawa.
Morning light breaking through the eastern hills. Just you and me, while the earth stands still. Dashboard dreams of what could be in the great unknown. We have no map, we got no plans, just open road. Say you'll stay with me forever, say you'll be my only love. We can make it through whatever, say you'll be my only love.
And yung palakpak natin, that also symbolizes na sa bagong buhay nilang dalawa together, we will pray for them na si Lord will bless them with a happy family, beautiful children ahead of them. And of course, katulad ng mga happily married men and women na nagtagal ng 33 years or more, silang dalawa din will stay together and choose each other araw-araw. After slicing, you're going to get a piece of cake at isi-share nyo yan sa isa't isa bilang simbolo naman ng mutual commitment ninyo to share and provide for one another. Willing ka to be the most responsible husband sa kanya and father sa inyong future children. Jay, if you don't mind, ilan ba yung gusto mong anak? 3. Okay. Palakpakan natin si Jay. Pwede na ikaw mag-share ng piece of cake to your wife? Charmaine, say ah. Na siya. Ikaw di mo kaon. Nabi na ko ako. Sa bagay, dapat unahin mo muna yung sarili mo bago iba, di ba? Oo. Okay. Sige, Charmaine, the moment naman nag-yes ka, ibig sabihin willing ka to be the most responsible wife to your husband and mother sa inyong future children. Ikaw, Charmaine, ilan yung gusto mong anak? 2. So, 5 lahat. Kanya-kanya ni plano. 5 nga anak tanan, bilang symbol you're going to share a piece of cake. Whether 1, 2, 3, or more ang ibigay sa inyo, you will receive those as a blessing and it will complete you as a family. Kailangan natin ng kiss to seal the promises. Please, kiss. Lakas mga Catherine Bernardo at saka iba na yung partner niya ngayon, hindi na si Daniel. Okay, we will now proceed with our ceremonial toast and I assume
So, nakulatan ko kay dili pa di ko ready mag-message. Abi ko later pa. But I was trying to rehearse this since last night. Mga 5 sentences, radyo ako makaya. Uy, kabalo na si Charmaine. Once she said to me na ikapoy na siya dating. Ano siya, mag-stop na daw siya. And then a few days later, nagbalita na po siya na, hala, gi-invite ba ako ni before sa iyang birthday. So nalo ko na, something special ni siya kay gi-share man gud dayon sa kuha. Nakaingon po siya gaya na she never thought na magabot ang time na kasulon siya o siyang mahimong center of attention kay dili po siya sanay. I must say that Javon and Charmaine deserve each other because I found, katong first pa lang napaglantaw na ko, wala sila si Sir Pilonyog si Ma'am Pilonyo actually. Ano ko kay, si Javon manggod, kanawang kanya si Sir Pilonyo. Tapos, ang aura manggod ni Charmaine, murag si Ma'am Pilonyo po. So, katong first yung pagbalita sa ko na, wow! Anak ko, perfect! Anak ko. Tapos, ipakita po na ako sa akong mother kay syempre, just mo sa maningong friend. Ipakita na ako kay mama ang picture nila siya. Bagay sila. Ana siya. So, best wishes to our newlywed couples. And of course, I know that this relationship is blessed by God and will work forever because I can see from the both of you that you're ready and you're mature and that you deserve each other. So, God bless po and I love you, Cha. And God bless po sa inyong dalawa.
Wala pa kailan ako day ang younger brother, so of course kuya, middle child sa mong family. So actually, first time pa na ako maging best man sa any event, but I would like to introduce to you among childhood sa kuya. 9 years among gap. So meaning, ga-expect yun ay gusto yun ang kuya magkamanghod. Because alone daw siya sa balay, di ba? Then, kato, na nagawas ko, ako manghod 2 years after. And then, kato, growing up, actually, among connection lang yun, games. Mo dyan yung among connection, sige na magdula sa laptop, sa kada uli, magdula. And then, syempre, time went by na si kuya naging seaman. It's like nawalaan kag best friend. Mga 1 to 2 weeks kami magkita sa katuig. And then, kato, excited ko, taga mo ulit siya, kay naibagong laptop from US, from Japan. Ako, kuya, sige na, tagka-laptop ani. Kung yan, taga-laptop na yung mga dula. Di ba? Na. And then, kato, syempre, kami sa manghod, mag-grow man po may nag-college siya. Muna ning time na niuli na si kuya, nag-teacher na siya. Gaming amo ang connection, we thought na pag uli ng kuya, sige na lamig dula, unlimited games. But, yeah, nag-college me. So, something man good sa lalaki is so, saying dire, your brother may stand with you and walk with you through life, but then only your wife will be with you in your darkest nights and brightest days. So, kami mga lalaki, sa Moa, what we thought is sign of weakness kung mag-share of feelings. So, we never really had shared mga real feelings with each other, but we connect through gaming yun. So, we're here na pasalamat jud ko kay Ate Charmaine because siya ang mag-fulfill para sa mga magkapatid. Sa mga times na dili makashare si Kuya sa iyang mga problema, mo na ang role ni Ate Charmaine as a wife. So, thank you kaayo sa ate for meeting ni Kuya. Na congratulations again for being married. Ayun, best wishes sa inyong dua. Thank you and God bless you both. Okay, so cheers ta. Yung
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to ask everyone to raise your glasses. May laman or wala? Let's fill that with love and prayers for the newlyweds, Jay and Charmaine. Cheers!
Hello everyone, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Una sa tanan, nagpasalamat ako sa tanan nga ania sa wedding day ni Charmaine og Jibon. Og hilabi na sa atong Ginoo sa pag-bless sa marriage o sa couple. As a mother of the bride, I would like to express my gratitude to God for I'm truly blessed that I was given the most precious gift of a daughter named Charming Jane in the year 1991. At alam ko na walang ko kontra pag anak nato pinaka sa tanan, gwapa, buotan, o bright, pagyud na. As years passed, Charming Jane finished her studies in nursing. Nag-work as a nurse, pero ambot og ngano. Nag-schooling na sa pagkamaestra ug naabot pa outside the Philippines to teach. Ambot og ngano kaha. To make the story short, kay di ay naa si Jabon. Ang iyang destiny na iyang high school friend na gipili pod ang teaching profession. Congratulations and best wishes, Jabon and Charming Jane. My advice to the newlywed couple, always put God at the center of your marriage. As well all know, walay imposible sa Ginoo. Anything you ask, you plan as a couple and trust unto the Lord. And we all know that there is no perfect marriage. Sometimes naagyud nang maglainay ug buot ang mag-asawa. Ang ako alang maingon, Jabon and Charmaine, never let they go by without asking forgiveness or without restoring place to your home. As to build a strong and happy relationship in marriage, don't forget to have 3 most important words. Jabon and Charmaine, please, thanks, and sorry. Ayaw yun ninyo kalimti mga anak. Again, best wishes to both of you and God bless you.
Sige, after me will be my wife. 32 years ago, I was placed in the same situation. In a place at the barrio, but the scenario is the same. May mga ninong, may mga ninang, and I do not think na it will be repeated today in the person of my firstborn. Congratulations, Jabon and Charmaine. Academically, ako ang coach ni Jabon of Charmaine. I was also their teacher in mathematics. They learned me from the subject. To Jabon, I would like to give you this as a tip. Kung paano ko kayo pinalaki, pinaaral, at dinidisiplina. I hope you can replicate, if not do the same or more than. I produced a student like you and a son, a performer and a good loving son. Means, hindi ako na ma-recall kung nag-fight back in words si Jabon. Pero ako lang nagsagit sa iya, siya wala nagsagit sa ako. Obedient boy. Dili ko siya dalo. Siya lang bata na walay brand. Sa sapatos, sa pantalon, sa sinina. Wala magaling siguro yung relo eh. Pero pagkaparehara may sing-sing baka ng lata. Lagi. A simple person. But trusted and dependable in work. So continue building your new family with the help of Charmaine. The challenge is produce children like you. So dapat makaproduce ka ng mga bata na tulad sa inyo. Congratulations.
Naghimo di ko kudigo. Kay kining idara na talimtanon bayata. A pleasant afternoon to each and everyone, and thank you so much for your attendance to the very memorable event of my children, Javon and Charmaine. Ako, istorya ko naman sa uban, actually, istorya na nako kay Ma'am Sara ganiha. I was the Araling Panipunan teacher of Charmaine for 3 years. First year, second year, and an advisor during her third year. So ako pa rin yung kanyang AP teacher at the same time Araling Panipunan. So si Javon naman, nagiging advisor ako niyan sa third year. There was a time, a classmate of Javon told me in front, yung nagbigay ako ng test, sabi niya, adi kita na nagyan ng Javon ng kanang notes ni ma'am. And talagang, hindi ko talaga mapalampas ba, kaya napahiya talaga ako. And what was my response? Sabi ko, hindi ko pinalaki ang aking mga anak para magiging dishonest. Actually, nang nagiging advisor ako ni Javon, lain din yung mamata ng storya, no? Kanang mixed emotion. Actually, ganina, many days, dugay na dyan ko kahilakon, but gina-ready ko lang yun akong sarili to be strong. Kaya iba manggid ang emotion sa mama kaysa sa papa. Actually, there was a time, I guess Javon was third year, giupawan ni siya, kana kung operation haircut. Pasuko ko ay, anak pa ko, Charo naman, wagin sila kasabot nga, in the afternoon of that, mag-yes ang mga bata sa clan, o giupawan siya, o giwapon siya, wala, nilakawan siya nga ng pahak. Ko, diri sa school, anak ko, I used to be good to the children of my co-teachers. I have been, tawag ng considerate. Karon ako namang anak namang yun ni, ano nga dyan itaw nga mag-yun lagi consider, o niya nila kawin taon akong anak iupawan. When, kasabot mo, lain akong gibati. Lain akong gibati, kaya na mixed emotion gid ko. When I opened this, sa balay, anak kong bana, normal na, kaya ang maestro ni, tuman ra sa iyang responsibility. Dito pag ko, di man ko ka mama, papa man ka. So ibagid ang version sa mama. And siguro mo ng emotional ko kay ako magud ang taong dugay madetach sa akong mga loved ones. Actually, for many days, I guess it took 2 weeks nga nag-declutter ko. Nag-ready na ko sa mga gamit ni Javon. Actually, iputan ko na sa sako bag niya ang mga gamit. Because for me, mas muhila ko magtanaw kung siya ang manghipos. Pagkakita, siguro lang ko siya kipagbuhan niya yung mga sanina sa iyang kabinet. Kasi magdanguing-uy ko sa taplin. Mas maayo na lang ako magsugod o panghipos. But then, kung nakita ko na kung ngayang gibit-bit, parang may kirot sa aking puso. Niyana na lang ko. Lain na din, no? Dili naman din ako makita pero may ang akong anak. And, true sa giingon sa akong bana, Javon is loving gina siya nga pagkabata. dili na siya dalo. Actually, ang una niyang sweldo, isa sa among aircon siya ang nagpalit. 20,000 yun iyang gihatag. And pag iyang mga manghod, pag nanay kinahanglan, isa lang ginana ko kaingon, buwan, kasi nga kagay kwarta bon, di na siya magkaroon ng second thought. Ana na siya kakanang galantigod sa iyang mga manghod. O kanang nag-ingon ko ana sa iya, tukasluno na siya nga, unta good pon, kanang bisag mamingyo na ka, dili po na tani mo good walaon, nga ikaw manoy, manggod ka na mo, manoy ka ni Coco, ni Samsam. Nga kanang pasiunyag, dili ka na mo anhi diri sa mua, especially on birthdays, especially on kanang mga special events, basig maghilak ko gusto taplin, nga kanang magsige ko hilak. Ganina actually, sa pictorials, ipatok ko, pero halos di ko kalitok ba? Kaya ambot ka ng, ako na lang ginaisip, may naling maminyo, ning bataan ni kay, giigang na po niya sa kumbak-bak. So, murag mo na akong ginabutang pirmi sa akong una-una para dili ko mahimong emotional kay lain kay kaayo sa akong ginabati. Now, I was able to have these verses in the Bible. Kinabi ko digo. As Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verses 1 to 8 says, "For everything there is a season, a time for every activity under heaven, a time to be born and a time to die, a time to plant and a time to harvest." Another one, Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verses 9 to 12. "Two are better than one because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. But pity anyone who fails and no one to help them up. Also, if two lie down together, they will keep warm." Lain po, ikaw ra isang higda, ma-warm ka diha. "But how can one keep warm alone? The one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A cord of three strands is not quickly broken." Another one, in Mark chapter 10, verses 6 to 9, "But from the beginning of creation, God made them male and female. Therefore, a man shall leave his father and mother and hold fast to his wife, and the two shall become one flesh. What therefore God has joined together, let not man separate." In Luke chapter 23, verses 33 to 34, God created marriage to make you more like Christ and give you the closest example of Him, united with His bride, the church. Actually, wala man gyud perfect nga ingredients sa marriage. In my case, I have gone through a roller coaster. I have gone through a lot. Dili gid siya perfect ang marriage. It depends on paano nimo i-maneuver. And kapareho ng sinabi ng estudyante ko dati, Mary Jane or Mary Ann? Okay, si Mary Jane. Na depende lang yan sa inyo kung paano ninyo timunan. And kahit pa man sa lowest part, wag lang mag-give up. So, ano pa ba? Marami ako ditong nakalista. So, yun lang siguro. Continue to love each other. And tandaan na pag meron na kayong mga anak, the best, tawag nun, the best example talaga ay ang mga magulang. Yun lang. Parang wala na akong masabi kay baka magtulo na ang everything.
Your Ninong Erwin, we are very blessed and honored to be part of your journey. Why me? Jabon is my pupil sa iyahang elementary days. So why me? I was also blessed kasi I was approached by Jabon to be his godparents sa iyahang confirmation. Remember to ni mo J1. Tapos na-shock ko. Okay, so why me? Because Charmaine also, families is also close to me. Ang iyang tita ug ako, best of friend. So they are considering me as one of their daughters, and also tita is also welcome to our house. And three things lang ako ang i-kwan sa inyo ha. Respect, love, and be thankful. Respect, this is a experience. Mo gini siya ang common na ginaawayan namo sa akong husband, sa imong ninong. When you are going to decide, especially you, Charmaine, always include your husband. I-include yun mo siya sa imong mga decision. Never decide nga ikaw lang. Okay? So you need respect. Respetuhon mo siya so that you will be also get respect. Love. Always put God in the center of your relationship. That's the best ingredients yun sa inyong pagpuput. Okay? And the last is be thankful. Be thankful because both of you are math teachers. You love math. So everything or every problem that na ma-encounter ninyo, you know how to solve it. Okay? Thank you. And the last one is, I wish you the best in life. And whatever happens, Ninong and Ninang, we are always here with you. Kung roller coaster naman yun yung relationship, especially mga 5 years, dira na yun na magsugod, we are always here for you. So congratulations and God bless you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Para kay Ma'am Sheila, why me po, no? First, I would like to thank Javon and Jinjin for making me one as their godmother at the same time with my husband also. So, for everybody's information, why me, Ma'am She? Yeah, klaro naman kayo, Team Green. Dito ko sa side ni Charmaine, Jinjin. Okay, for us. Jinjin kasi is my student in elementary, and I am her science quiz coach. No? So, siya ako ang quizzer sa unang panahon. As far as I know, Jinjin kasi noong grade 6, kay family naman ko na sila, Ate Helen, iyang mother sa West. Jinjin is a very silent girl. Payat na siya, gamay. She's a very silent girl. Mag-quiz me, every afternoon, every evening, maabtan mig alas 8 sa gabi. Siya mo tingog niya, alas 8 na, di pagit siya mo ulit, di po siya magreklamo. No, nadina lang siya. Tapos, dalon na ako siya sa mga contest, hilong behave kayo siya, at ang mga kauban niya sa baan kaayo, ang mga boys, siya hilong lang siya kaayo. So when I saw her na nag-teach na siya according to Ate Helen, nalipay ko, kay science teacher po siya. Di ba? Pero na-ay effect ang ako ang pag-coach sa iya. And even though how far they go, Javon o si Charmaine nga, different path ang ilahang adtuan, ning balik sila sa teaching. And it's really destined na kamo gid magkita, no? Kay ikaw mag-nursing, ang isa nagsakay ng barko, ning balik gid mo to meet each other because that's really destined for you by God, no? So sa tanan diri, I know I'm also considered a young couple kay considering there are some of us here na mas dugay pa. Kami sa akong husband, we will be 22 years of being together this coming May 10 sa Saturday po, no? So we're still learning. Kaya yung sabi ko sa kanina, Tom and Jerry tandem kay away bati, pero at the end of the day, sweet food nature. Uning cut then hapon charot. Cut then. So I would like to share also to Javon and Jinjin some of the things that you can at least find as some of your objective or inyong guide as you're going to be married together. So kung si Ma'am Sheila 3, akin yung mga 4. So it's very easy for you. Number 1, it's very easy for you to consider this first one, be each other's safe space. Dali lang kayo sa inyong duha, kay pareha mo maestro o maestra. No? So if somebody will run, masuko sa eskwelahan, paabot sa bulay, interesting kaayong mag-share kay kailaman mo kung kinsa tong gipang chismis po ninyong duha. No? So, si Juan gani, si Juan, oh, kaila ko na, no? So, always be a safe space to each other, and I assure you, lahat ng ginakwento ng bawat isa, hindi yan lalabas. Kaya always make sure that both of you are best friend yun mo. Wala mo laing best friend, kamo na lang yung duha. Kaya ang uban, basig bugawas pangin yung chismis. Pero sa inyong duha, wala yun. No? So, make yourselves as best friend, BFF na mong duha. Then, number 2, number 2 pa daw. Okay, I can see this already kanina pa. Always laugh together. Often. Pura ganina sila katawa. Sa simbahan sila gusto katawa duha. No? So, I am sure your relationship together will be very happy, full of laughter, which is very important. Then number 3, fight fair but forgive fast. Away kayo, tapos bati lang din agad. Mabilis, mas mabadali. Then you try to grow together but not apart. Kung naay achievement o accomplishment ng isa, one of you should be very happy about it. No? Hindi yun ikakasama ng loob mo na, uy, nakuha na siya, na-promote ako, wala. Na-promote kita yun, sir, no? No, every accomplishment or achievement of any of you is also your accomplishment or achievement. No? So you're always proud of each other. Then, last is always trust each other. Me and my husband, sa 22 years nagipanghambog na mo, murag duha lang yun katuig na nag-uban me as husband and wife. The 20 years is apart yun me per me. Kay mura po siya OFW kay sa layo. But because I trust him and we have this trust, no, wala me time na nag-separate or nagkasamaan ng loob or nagduda, because I believe that I trust my husband and my love for him is enough for me to allow him to grow wherever he is needed. And he knows that I'm also here and I'm also growing as an independent person with my children. So, pag uli, mas ang among relationship is nag-grow. So, kayo dali lang. Kay naalaman mo together with each other. Dali lang pag mo mag-away. Ano? Sunuga lang ang lesson plan ni ma'am niya. Ikaw sunuga po. CR yung class record. Pulag dayon. Pero, ang maganda sa inyo is, you all are always together. No? So, trust each other, forgive fast, and the last one, please pray all the time. Panghadji yun mo kay nobody will help you except God. Kung namoy away, pangayo lang yun mo o guidance sa Lord. No? Mag-away mo, dili isipin muna, then pray. After that, mawala rapod ang inyong kalagot. No? We tried it with my husband, mag-away ni, nagsigilan po ko grocery. Nya, suko kay ko, kusog kay ang grocery. Hey, Mary Paul, praise the Lord. Kadugayan, pagka fifth mystery, naghinay na ako, Hail Mary, full of grace. Pag human sa rosary, bati na mi doha. No? So, it still helps. So, good luck. Buhato daw ni Mami Javon. Good luck, Javon and Jinjin. And I'm so happy for both of you.
Ayan, so good afternoon sa tanan. Kayawan ko sa line-up. Gikan sa mga ninang. So, for those who don't know, I'm a friend of Ari. Charmaine Jean. We call her Ari. So, little backstory lang. Ari among tawag siya. So, we were batchmates from nursing. So, nagsabay mi sa isa ka dormitory, line-line from line-line na area sa Mindanao, and then mag-abot mi kay separate man ang boys ug ang girls, mag-abot mi sa cafeteria. Social ang kuan na dormitory ni cafeteria. Sa cafeteria, Bisaya mi line-line, no? But then, duha sila from General Santos and then pailain from Region 12. Pero siya gid among nailhan nga pag mag-order nag-food, mo na siya dito. Ari ako teo, ara teo. So, mo na siya. So we call her Ari up until this day. So mo to siya. And then, naman sa nag-ito message. So, Ari told me mag-share daw story, and then, honestly, nakalimot ko sa story nga gusto niya ipa-share. Maulaw man kumunta kay I know busy siya in preparation sa wedding. So, I have a different story to share. Sige, describe sana ako si Ari. naunsa na mo siya pagkaila. So, itong first year, again, isa na siya sa mga nihilak. Nihilak because she don't want to pursue nursing. But look at her now. Dili na siya nurse. Pero, na-fulfill, na-justify ang efforts kay, para sa iya, effortless na to, pero makita na she's really smart. Hindi lang intelligent, really, really smart. Anak yun tayo. Birds of the same feather flock together, no, para smart pa ito, kunuhan ba? So, mo to siya, by that pa lang, dili siya gusto mag-pursue sa nursing, but then under circumstances, kailangan niya mag-pursue, and then successful. Tapos, anak pa lang, masulti na mo nga grabe siya mo endure, no, sa challenges sa life. So, one of the characteristics na ni Ari, and then, she's really fierce. Agree mo? So, Javon, watch out. Dili, really, she's really a strong woman. Lain ba paminawag na strong woman? Strong, independent woman. Brave. Tanan na lang yun kaisog. Ingon sila basta dugong Jansan yun daw. Pero magandang Jansan. Mamanan yung line diri, no? And then, mo to siya, mo tong mga common nga ma-describe kay Ari. And then for Javon, actually, once pa may nagsabay, and then, nabalaan mo ganina, apil silang murag trivia. Fun fact, their first travel together sa Sanchez Peak, nag-apil-apil mi dito. So, apil dahil mi ato yun. Kami, katong mga naa sa likod. So, from different parts of Mindanao. Mindanao. And then, mo to siya. So, pagkakita na mo kay Javon, kuan, kanang, syempre siguro, at first lang mo, or pero pananaw na ako kay usay kusog man ko mo judge. Dili ani gid ang personality. Inverter. Introvert. Dili lang ka maninood. Hilom, but then I know he's also a smart guy. Kay kani si Ari dili po niya siya basta-basta makagusto og anyone lang kay taas pod siya ni. Murag number 1 gid dapat ang smart. No kanang pareha man sila di ba mga mathematician man sila. So aside from that, I know, nasa aura ni Javon na very responsible. Nag-share po si Ari sa amo na he's really responsible, no? Maski karon, he does his laundry, anak yun. So, ma-share na ni Ari, very responsible na son. And, tinuod na. Ma-share si Ari na. One of the things na appreciate na niya kay Javon, no? Imagine, manlab ba? Di ba, usually, kita pag ako, ganun manlab ba? But then knowing that, one of the things na na-appreciate na ni Ari, no? So, he's responsible, and then nabala na ako sa mga story ganina, no? He's galante. Tama ba? Generous. So, kanya-kanya sila og characteristics. And then, asa ko ito nabala? I've heard of something, ana sila, when you have someone, let's say, sa ilang case, husband or wife, or when you have a partner, they said na na-love na imo nga person, it's because of kanang a characteristic or characteristics na wala sa imuha. So that's the reason na na-appreciate nimo. Let's say, si Ari maybe na-appreciate niya si Javon because he's generous. And then, si Javon na-appreciate niya si Ari because she's a strong, independent woman. And then they said, sila, kanang very reason nga nakapapush nga nung na-love ni mga person is also the same reason nga in the long run maglagot ka. So kadugayan, maybe si Ari maglagot siya kay sobrahan na ka-generous si Javon. Ug si Javon maybe maglagot siya kay Ari kay nasobrahan na ka-strong si Ari. So those days will really come. So I hope when those days come, you will realize na that's the very reason why you appreciated the person. Ang reason daw nga nung masuko ka ana kay sa imong self, dili man siya ing ana. So maglagot siya. So again, pagka na nga adlaw mo abot, I hope you will remind yourselves na that's the same reason why you love each other. Ana siya. So again, best wishes to the newlywed couple, and then I hope that you will start your family, no, the way you prayed for, no, or unta you will be given a family na kung dili man tong giampo, but the best family for you. So, I hope you will be guided as always with all, of course, kay God, sa inyong parents, and then the godparents. And I hope we understand kami mga barkada, we understand na of course dili namin mag-expect the same time na ma-share sa among but then we're always here to support you as a couple. So that's all. Good afternoon, everyone.
Yari ka takatawa niya ba? Bapak ka bakit? It's late in the evening, just wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I said yes, I feel wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do I look alright? And I said yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I'm seeing the love light in your eyes. Then the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I've got to make it there. So I give her the car keys. She helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the lights, and say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight.
So, ngayong hapon sa tanan. Sige. Okay, once again, thank you very much sa tanan na nag-adto diri karon. Actually, I am at loss of words. So ganiha sa simbahan, wala ko kabalo sa itubag na mental block talaga ako. And even after ganiha gipangutana pud ko, I still don't know what to say. I am really speechless. So the good thing is I prepared. So basahon na lang siguro na ako ang message of thanks. Because if there's one word that I will describe today, that is gratitude. Allow me to take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to all of you who have joined to celebrate our special day. To our workmates who have become dear friends. Thank you for being part of this important chapter in our lives. Of course, to Javon's STE family, thank you for welcoming me so warmly and inviting me sa inyong laag dapat sa Cebu na wala mi nakauban. So mao na gining tubag, ma'am. Mao na ning anong busy me this April. And of course, to my girls and my mentors in Labangal, thank you for organizing a wonderful bridal shower. Salamat kaayo, girls. I truly appreciate the time, effort, and thought. Tapos, ingon ni J1, bagsik daw kaayo kay na. Spoil man niya. So, nakabalok ko na ay surprise. Yes, it's a very memorable moment for me. And it's very heartwarming because dili ko sanay na, I'm in the spotlight. I'm being acknowledged and mo to siya. And of course, salamat po kay Ma'am Mel and Ma'am Eileen sa pag-adto karon. Even though I have a very short notice, your presence means so much to me. To our beloved friends, thank you for helping us with our preparations and offering your support in every way. To my girlfriends, Georgia, sa kuang wedding arc, I did not expect that I will have 2 bridal showers, and I feel so loved. Kay, diba, surprise bridal shower. So, na-feel gid nako ang love sa akong mga friends ako. At thanks, Georgia, na maayo kayo ang acting ni Jane, nabuko lang ni Rubian. Thank you, girls, for organizing, and grabe na the longest running friendship, I suppose. Dugay ka atong friendship. And of course, sa ako ang friends from all over Mindanao, Char. Dana from Kidapawan, Paulo from Davao, and Arman from Mati. Diba? Lagyo kaayo may, but we always find time to see each other. And sorry, medyo na guilty ko ani kay we like to travel a lot. But because of the wedding preparations, dili na ko kauban sa ilaha. And I think, inagit ko kauban kaayo. But thank you so much for understanding and thank you for the love. Salamat, masking layo mo na mo diri karon. Of course, I've special mention di ay to my maid of honor, Jane. Thank you for being my maid of honor. Thank you for prepared kayo si Jane. Beauty pa mi kagabi, daghan kayo siya rituals gabi before me nag-sleep. Nag-clip-on pa mi sa nail, and thank you so much for your help today. To our relatives who have made the time and effort to be here, even though today falls on a weekday, we are sincerely grateful for your presence. To my tita dads, thank you for welcoming me into your home and making me feel like family. To our primary sponsors po, salamat po sa inyong time sa pag-adto karon. Thank you for graciously accepting our invitation. We are truly grateful. Salamat kaayudaan sa pag-guide sa amo ang married life. And most of all to our parents, thank you for your unconditional love, your support and guidance throughout our lives. Thank you for the sacrifices you made and the values you instilled in us. And pinaka-importante gid sa ako sa pursue sa mong wedding, I am very grateful for your permission and blessing na yes, na although we are old enough to decide on our own, we are in our 30s, but you still gave us the permission. It's the most important thing for us. We dili ko mahimutang kung dili siya, kung walay blessing from our parents. Today is not only a celebration of love, but also a tribute to all of you, our family, friends, and loved ones who have walked with us and supported us along the way. Of course, di po na ako kalimtan ng ako ang saan di siya? Yes, ang among suppliers for today, the organizer, ni Kai Velasco, asa si Monica. Thank you very much, Kaz. Dati naga-practice lang ni si Igay mag-picture, tapos kami iyahang subject. College pa na siya. Kami iyang subject, and now look at her. siya a very successful business na and very well known. Daghan na kaila sa iya ha. So I'm very grateful. Thank you kaayo kas and tanan-tanan our suppliers for today. I may not be able to mention everyone, but you made this day very memorable and very non-stressful for us. Salamat kayo. And most of all, I'm very grateful to my boyfriend, Char. Now, my husband, tinuod yun tong ingon ni Paulo. If there's one thing that, one word that would describe Javon, that he is very generous. As in, mahinatagon jud siya kaayo. Tanan-tanan. Grabe. Mao gyud na siya ang ako ang ipahambog sa ako ang mga friends. So thank you so much everyone and we love you all. Thank you po.
So, nag-meta AI lang ko karon kay dili ka expert na char lang. So, good afternoon to everyone. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to come to this memorable occasion for the both of us. So, one of my many weaknesses is that I cannot speak comfortably in front of a crowd. So, pardon my my tone right now. Okay. Mo ni siya ang kuan ba nga nag-teacher ka pero mahiyain ka. So anyway, ang gratitude ko is later pa so mag-reminisce na lang sa siguro ko before ako mag-gratitude. So my journey with Charmaine, hindi niyo kami kilala. Ano lang siya it started just last October 8, 2023. Yun yung official. Pero, we have known each other for quite a while already since we were both schoolmates from high school. And we have had a few interactions pag mag-interact ang juniors and seniors. Now, my first impression of her is that she is a cold and mysterious person. Kasi parang tahimik lang siya and nasa gilid lang siya. And actually, kung hindi kami magkasama sa contest, hindi ko rin siya makilala. Yun talaga yun. However, I learned soon enough that she is an excellent student kasi she is a consistent honors student. And back in the day, the honors really mattered kasi the students really had to work hard. And hindi kagaya ngayon na yung okay. Let's not go there, okay? Pantay dyan. However, ang bulk ng aming interactions is comes from, well, as I mentioned earlier, we were both quizzers and we were both student leaders. So parehas kami na officer sa SO niya, I think. But yun lang, our previous interactions is hardly romantic kasi parang work related lang ba. And dati kasi hindi uso yung mga girlfriend, boyfriend sa school kasi sabi ng aming mga parents, study first. So study first talaga kami. However, after a few years, we met again for a similar purpose. Kasi naghahanap siya ng tutor for bookkeeping. And ako nag-volunteer kay friend man mo. Pero wala man lang yung kasi. So, ang na-notice ko sa kanya is that her appearance kind of matured. Parang meron siyang aura na wala na, ito? Kanang dili ka ng more matured na siya tanawon, char. Shut up. So, but her attitude remained the same. Cold and mysterious lang yapon siya. Kaya nga naman, I tried to reach out to her, pero dili siya ma-reply. Mag-reply lang siya if it is work or school-related. Kanang nakapasa, nakaugkuhan, or nakamedikal, mao lang na mga question na iyang replyan, kanang mga good morning, dito siya replyan na English. Therefore, I didn't know or understand what kind of tricks ang nag-work. It just happened. As I have said, dili din siya mag-reply, and tingala lang ko, nagsige na siya siguro So, ngayon, ang aming pinag-uusapan usually, actually, yung mga makasabay namin sa jeep or sa bus or sa tricycle, mangalot siguro ang ulo sa amo ang duha. Kaya amo ang hisgutan kan mga RRL, mga So, but our discussions gives me much comfort kasi I know for a fact that this person I am with still has the same attitude, the one I know and remember from high school. Anyway, so, share ko lang. So, I give my gratitude to my friends and colleagues for coming, and thank you for the support that you have shown us. So, hindi talaga ako nagbigay ng details, tahimik lang talaga ako kasi starvation na ako for ilang months, and ang worry ko lang is if mag-exceed kami sa number of people na mauna to siya. To my family, thank you for everything. Thank you for instilling in me the values and skills that I need to be a desirable member of society. Desirable member of society. I will forever cherish our moments together. I promise to visit from time to time, and especially during special occasions. To my wife, Charmaine, thank you for putting up with me. There are many times na bad trip and disappointed ka, but you still chose to continue. I promise that from now on, my attention and time will be yours alone. To everyone, please pray for us. Once again, good evening and enjoy the rest.
Once again, a round of applause for Mr. and Mrs. Palonio. Hey.